Hello, this is Ade Kangaroo Repair. Today I have a 2009 Mercedes GL450 and I'm replacing the window switch assembly. The first thing you need to do, you have to take this trim piece which goes right here. You take this trim off. You have to take this piece which goes right here off. It just clips, just pry it loose. We have some torque screws in here, one there and another one here. You take that screw off, you take this piece off, you pry it out, it will come off. Then on this we have a torque screw hiding behind the lock and unlock switch, which is this. And to get this switch out, you have to press on both lock and unlock button and pull this little tab. You press on both switch, you press it down and pull the tab in between, you pull it out to be able to get this switch out. So after that, you take the torque screw, take it out, get it. So take that screw out, you pry on this, and there are some clips behind it, so you pry the door out and just lift up on it. Now we get the door panel off. So after getting the door panel off, on the door release handle right there, to get it out, you pull back on this cable, pull back, then slide the cable in between that slot, and this should come out. And you just have to remove this from that. Put this aside, and we have some wiring going to the control module. So you push down the little tab pin and pull it out, and don't forget to take a note of where the wiring is going to. So the green connector goes to the left side while the blue one goes to the right side. So you push down the pin, you're able to get it up on the off. Then behind these, just have to take this white foam off. Take this foam off. Right here is the switch. So to get this switch out, we have a screw right here. There's another one right in there. So when you take that out, then you should be able to get this switch out. Yeah, like I was saying, these are the two screws. There are also torque screws behind the door panel holding the switch in place. There's one here, there's another one down there. So we take that out. So there's one here and there's one down there. So don't forget to remove the connector, the wiring connector. So there's a release tab right in front. You need to push in right there, push in and pull out, push in, pull out. Like that. You just come out. So that's it. So putting it back, you just have to reverse the process. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Ade King Auto Repair. Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.